Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dery Saputra with student number A1B225055 from Faculty of Teacher Training and Educational Program Study Educational English. Belong to class R001. So today I want to explain about my group discussion about the study case in the introduced to linguistic courses. So there's some case we need to find the answer based on that case. So the first one is the for English sound that the student find difficult in that case. So my group opinion is the four English sound that student find difficult in that case is the as a thing and thing, and the second one is the as in this and that. The third one is v as in very and z as in dogs. The second one is the explanation of how each sound is produced. The first one is the sound. Voice is the voiceless sounds. Place of articulation in the dental. Tongue. The tongue touch the teeth. So manner of articulation is fricative. Explanation: the th sound is produced by placing the tip tongue between the upper and lower teeth and pushing air out gently without using a voice. The second one is the sound, is the voice sound. Place of articulation in dental also. The manner of articulation is fricative. Explanation: the sound is familiar to th, but the vocal cords vibrate when the sound is produced. Like the the third one is V sound, is voiced also sound. Place of articulation is on the labiodental. The manner of articulation is fricative. Explanation: the V sound is produced by placing the upper teeth and lower lip and allowing air to pass while the vocal cords is vibrate. The fourth one is the Z sound, is the voiced sound also. The place of articulation is alveolar. Manner of articulation is fricative. Explanation: the Z sound is produced by placing the tongue uh, close to the alveolar ridge and letting the air pass while the vocal cords is vibrate. The third question in that case is two sound and why they are difficult for Indonesian learners like us. The sound, this sound is difficult for Indonesian learners because it does not exist in the Indonesian student usually. Uh, it doesn't exist in Indonesian, and student usually replace it with the T because it's the closest sound in their language. The second one is the V sound. The V sound is also difficult because Indonesian speaker is often pronounce it as F. This happen because V is not commonly used in Indonesian, uh, especially in Indonesian pronunciation. And the fourth one is pronunciation exercise. The first one we choose the tongue position exercise. Students practice the placing their tongue between their teeth and pronunciation word like thing, thing, tree, and theory. And this helps students control their tongue position. The second one is the minimal pair practice. Students practice words that have similar sound like fan and van, fine and vine, safe and safe. This exercise helps students control airflow and voicing. So that's all about my group of discussion. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. So wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.